Hello, hello! Welcome from our open house in Coconut Grove. I'm here till 4 p.m. today. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom pool home in Coconut Grove, fabulous location on South Bayshore. And let me show you around a little. So when you come in, you see right away the pool. So it's a really, really nice view. Right when you come in, you're greeted by the pool. Open kitchen, all updated and meticulously maintained. So here, isn't that beautiful? My God, you walk into the house and the first thing you see literally is this beautiful pool view. You also have a back door on this side to go out, and you only have a few steps to the bay. So if you wanted to paddleboard or watch the sunrise, this is all super beautiful here. It's one of the guest rooms, currently an office, overlooks the pool. So as you can see, it is an absolute dream house, dream location. You have to do nothing. You just move in here and live your life. Little slice of paradise. Big closet. Then the bathroom is also very nice. And then outside you have a carport, and everything is properly fenced in. So if you have any pets, they can just run around. It's really, really a very beautiful property. So I'm here till 4 p.m., 1610 South Bayshore Drive. Make it a beautiful day.